in month.
Today I will talk about
Today I will talk about school
Month.
time. My school timetable in Monday and Saturday. In Monday, 6 to 6:30 a.m. I have breakfast. 7 to 7 a.m. I have class activity. 7
at 7:50.
At 7:15 to 8 a.m. I study in class. 8 a.m. to 8:45 I study in class. 8 a.m. 8:45 to 9:30 I study in class. 9:30 to 10:15 I study in class. 10:15 to 11 I study in class. 11 to 11:15 I go home. 11:30 to 12 I have a lunch. 2 p.m. I sleep. 2 p.m. to 4:45 I reach school. 4:45 to 6 p.m. I play outside. 6:15 to 7 p.m. I have dinner. 7 p.m. to 12 I study. 12 to 4:45 p.m. I sleep.
I sleep. That's it. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Go.
On Monday at 9 a.m. I eat breakfast. At 9 a.m. I speak French. At 11, 12 I speak Spanish. At 12, 1 p.m. At 1, 2 p.m. I am learning math. At 2 and 3 p.m. I'm doing homework. At 3, 5 p.m. I'm doing homework. At 6, 7 p.m. I eat dinner. At 7, 8 p.m. I am doing homework. At 8,
But
9 p.m. I rest on Tuesday. At 7, 9 a.m. I eat breakfast. At 9 a.m. I eat 11, 12 a.m. I play games. At 12, 1 p.m. I eat lunch. At 1, 2 p.m. I eat. At 2, 3 p.m. I cycling. At 3, 5 p.m. I'm doing homework. At 6, 7 p.m. I eat dinner. At 7, 8 p.m. I am doing homework. At 8, 9 p.m. I rest.
Okay.
You want to improve your English grammar? What should you do? I should study
I should study.
I should study more English and practice more. I'm afraid of that.
Afraid.
I'm afraid of that. What should you do? I should not play with cats. You want to become rich. What should you do? I should work.
I should work.
I should work more.
Language. Còn nếu con chữ F thì đọc là languages.
What should you do? I should bring a compass. You
Chữ F thì
have
mới đọc
a
là
hope.
test, còn không có chữ
What
F thì đọc
should
là
you do?
language.
I should wear warm clothes. I want to lose some
I
weight.
want to lose.
I want to lose some weight. What should you do? I should do exercise every day. You want to make more friends. What should you do? I should friendly and funny. You want to get a blood on your math test. What should you do? I should study math more. You often argue with your younger brother. What should you do? I should make peace with my younger brother. I should set the alarm clock. On Wednesday.
Today I will talk about
Today I will talk about my study planner. On Wednesday, from 14:5 a.m. to 7 o'clock a.m. I have breakfast. From 7 o'clock a.m. to 8:15 a.m. I have speaking and listening class. From 8:15 to 9:30 I have math. From 9:30 to 10:15 I have music. From 10:15 to 11 o'clock I prepare lunch. From 11 o'clock to 12 I have lunch. From 12 to 1:30 p.m. I sleep. From 1:30 to 2 p.m. I sleep. And from 2 p.m. to 5:30 I read books. From 5:30 to 7:30 I do my homework.
Okay.
Hello.
To lên.
On Monday is breakfast at 7 a.m. I study English. On at 8 to 9 a.m. I study PE. At 9 to 10 a.m. I study math. At 10 to 11 a.m. I study literature. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have lunch. At 4 p.m. I have math. At 5 to 6 p.m. I have dinner. At 7 to 10 p.m. I have English. At 10 to 11 p.m. I do homework. On Tuesday, at 6 to 7 a.m. I have breakfast. At 7 to 8 a.m. I have PE. At 8 to 9 a.m. I have art. At 9 to 10 a.m. I have literature. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have English. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have lunch. At 4 p.m. I have literature. At 5 to 6 p.m. I have dinner. At 7 to 10 p.m. I do homework. Wednesday.
Write your name nha.
At 6 to 7 a.m. I have breakfast. At 7 to 8 a.m. I have history. At 8 to 9 a.m. I have English. At 9 to 10 a.m. I have math. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have music. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have lunch. At 4 p.m. I have English. At 5 to 6 p.m. I have dinner. At 7 to 10 p.m. I have dinner. At 10 to 11 p.m. I do not work.
Okay, there.
Hello. On 7 to 9 a.m. I have PE. At 9 to 10 a.m. I have art. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have literature.
Literature.
At 11 to 12 a.m. I have lunch. At 1 to 2 p.m. I have English. At 2 to 4 p.m. I have math. At 4 to 6 p.m. I do homework. At 6 to 9 p.m. I have dinner. At 9 to 10 p.m. I have rest. On Friday at 7 to 9 a.m. I have art. At 9 to 10 a.m. I have literature. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have IT. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have lunch. At 1 to 2 p.m. I have music. At 2 to 4 p.m. I have art. At 4 to 6 p.m. I do work. At 6 to 9 p.m. I have dinner. At 9 to 10 p.m. I have rest.
Okay, very.
Today I will talk about myself, please. Monday at
Betty.
Hello, today I will talk about myself only one Wednesday
Long.
7 on 9 a.m.
Long paper.
Breakfast 9 on 10 a.m. English 10 11 a.m. BE
Oh, yeah, small one.
11
Get the small.
12 a.m. math 12
No.
a.m. 3
I
a.m.
get the homework. Give your friend.
Literature.
Give all.
1 on 2 p.m. lunch. 2 and 3 math. 3 and 5 p.m. English.
Homework.
On
No, different.
dinner.
It's different.
6 and
No
7.
homework, huh?
6 or 7 p.m. Math 7 on 8 a.m. English 8 on 9 p.m. Homework. Today I will
Homework.
talk about myself. Friday up 7 on 9 a.m. Breakfast. 9 on 10 a.m.
Wednesday niya.
On 11 music. 11 to 12 a.m. 11 to 12 on 1 p.m. English. 1 on 2 p.m. 2 on 3 p.m. IT 3 on 5 p.m. in math 5 on 6 p.m. Dinner 6 on 7 p.m. English 7 on SPM homework.
Okay. Hello.
Today I will talk about my school planner. At 7 to 9 a.m. on Monday, I have breakfast. At 9 to 10 a.m. I have math. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have English. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have science. At 12 to 1 a.m. I have lunch. At 1 to 2 p.m. I have math. At 3 to 4 I have French. At 4 to 5 p.m. I have science. At 5 to 7 I have homework. At 7 to 9 p.m. I have dinner. And at 9 to 10 p.m. I go to sleep. At 7 to 9 a.m. on Tuesday I have breakfast. At 9 to 10 a.m. I have English. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have science. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have music. At 12 to 1 a.m. I have lunch. At 1 to 2 p.m. I have history. At 3 to 4 p.m. I have ICT. At 4 to 5 p.m. I have piano practice. At 5 to 7 p.m. I have dinner. At 7 to 9 p.m. I do my homework. At 9 to 10 p.m. I go to sleep.
Okay.
Goodbye.
So my name is Kiss. On Tuesday at 7 to 9 a.m. I have breakfast. At 9 to 10 a.m. I have geography. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have math. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have English. At 12 to 1 p.m. I sleep and lunch. At 1 to 2 p.m. I go to school. At 2 to 3 p.m. I have English class. At 3 to 5 p.m. I have literature. At 5 to 6 p.m. I go home. At 6 to 7 p.m. I take shower and dinner. At 7 and 8 p.m. I do homework. At 8 to 9 p.m. I play games. At 10 to 11 p.m. I rest. On Saturday at 7 to 9 p.m. I have breakfast. At 9 to 10 p.m. I have football. At 10 to 11 a.m. I have tea. At 11 to 12 a.m. I have literature. At 12 to 1 p.m. I have I sleep and lunch. At 1 to 2 p.m. I go to school. At 2 to 3 p.m. I have PE. At 3 to 5 p.m. I have IT. At 5 to 6 p.m. I go home. At 6 to 7 p.m. I take shower and dinner. At 7 to 8 p.m. I do homework. At 8 to 9 p.m. I play badminton with my friend. At 10 to 11 p.m. I rest. Goodbye.
Okay.
Today I will talk about my
Study
study matter. On Wednesday
at
at 6 to
6.
half 6 a.m. I eat breakfast. At from 7 to 12 a.m. I study at school. From 12 a.m. to half 13 p.m. lunch and sleep. From 2 to 4, 4:30. I study at school. From 5 to 7, 7:30. I eat the dinner. From 7:30 to 10 p.m. I do my homework. From 10 p.m. to 10,
10:30.
no,
10:30.
quarter p.m.
Oh.
Quarter 10 p.m.
Quarter 10.
I sleep.
Okay.
On Friday,
At from
from 6 to half 6.
6:30. Oh, half 6.
Half 6. I eat breakfast. From 7 to 12 a.m. I study at school. From 12 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. I eat lunch and sleep. From 2 to quarter 4. I study at school. From 5 to 7:30. I eat dinner. From 7:30 to 10 p.m. I do my homework. From 10 to quarter 10. I sleep. Goodbye.